In today's video, I want to share my experience of making bibimbap with Korean teachers and playing Jegichagi for celebrating Chuseok in Sri Lanka. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Annyeonghaseyo, I'm Nikoshi, a K-influencer from Sri Lanka, and today I'm at the Korean language school which is King Sajon Institute in Colombo, Sri Lanka. For our pop-up mission of September in the K-Influencer Academy, we have a special topic which is Chuseok. Chuseok, which is also known as Hangawi, is one of the most important holidays in Korea. It is the Korean Thanksgiving Day. I wish you all a happy Chuseok. Chuseok 잘 보내세요. This Korean class is always so unique to me because there are so many unique traditional Korean things like hanbok and many more. Korean culture is always so unique and beautiful, and I love the hanbok so much. By the time I arrived at the venue, the class was almost started.
비빔밥 만들어요. 비빔밥이 한국 음식, 한국 음식에가 한식이와 한식이 아니라
한국 음식.
한식이 아니라 많아서 모노리 있으면 대학 되면 김치대과 밥 달라래. 김치대 발라서 모노모노 자티 오다테와 메 이스라 리서치 테노와 김치 자티야 둔시야 둔다 둔시야 티학 자티야 테노 이 김치 모노모노 김치 비빔밥에 로티 가게 피자 가게 김치 전기와 김치 피자 가게 일단 앞에 김치 로티 로티 우리 먹어야 되니까 상기였어 뭐라 하는 것도 니까 맛이 그래 가네 김치 때가 가루와 itu pasti kimchi yang dalam karmane jadi hadandoне kimchi hadandone eka kimjang iwa kimjang ini badan popo mau kau ayo betul kita dari oda karma kimchi hadanwa eka aura terdenwa eka kimjang itu pasti mamunan kimchi haramnya dari pemandangan kimchi shop dia
Our teacher explained everything very well, and I was so impressed by how native she is in my language, Sinhala, and also we had a fun quiz.
김치 박물관, 김치 뮤지엄 때노아 메고이거든. Number 1, New York. Number 2, California. Number 3, Hawaii. Number 4, Washington DC. 그때는 김치 뮤지엄 때노아. 김치 뮤지엄.
Participating in the quiz was so much fun.
Number 3. राइस 비빔밥에 믹스 따라도네 못하다 네 엘로르티노아 비두파세 약간 박티노에.
Our teacher also showed us some videos of making bibimbap, and it was so nice. Bibimbap is one of my most favorite Korean food, and also it is one of my comfort food.
소스하다드 고구마드 소스 발레니
고추장.
고추장 에롤루 무 당근 비두파세 양파 비두파세 호박 에그 에그 매하게 까판도네 온더 라스라트 까팔라 비두파세 네 프라이 오일 쭈딱깐 더 고닥깐 내봐 itu pasti mas api pukul mas me podi kapan done podi kapan done itu pasti eggs bitter fry karena ibarai ini pasti karena mau 그릇 애기한테 그릇 했더나 밥 가는 이렇게 pasé 매우도 에롤로로 하는
Our Korean teacher also showed us how to prepare the ingredients for making bibimbap.
세서미 오일 달라 메이크 비벼요 믹스 비빔밥 이렇게 pasé 하나 불와 아피 오꼬마
Jegichagi.
제기차기 한다는 거야.
I have one at home, that game.
제기차기 지니어스 애야가 부탁하려는데.
And now it is the most interesting time to make our own bibimbap with our friends. While my friends were cutting the other ingredients like carrots and chicken, I went to get the sauce for our team. The sauce is made with gochujang, sesame oil, sugar, and some Sprite. Our teachers guided us so well and they were so kind and helpful. Now we are done with making bibimbap and look how delicious it looks. For a better taste, you have to mix your bibimbap very well, and it was so delicious and so good with the chicken and also the other vegetables. And then we went down to the first floor where they held taekwondo classes to play some unique, special Korean traditional games specially played during Chuseok, which is Jegichagi. Our 선생님 explained us how to play Jegichagi, and it was so fun. 대박. 어머, 좋다. 네.
오케이. 미나리, 토나,
We also got few minutes to practice. And everyone was having so much fun. Then the first round got started. It was so much fun to try this unique game. Fighting! Oh! Fighting! Yay!
1등 카운터. 1등. 오. 자.
축하해.
가위바위보. 가위바위보. 오, 들어가. 내가. 오케이. 하나에 내 것 봐라. 원. 오케이. 레디. 가위바위보. 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 오케이. 이렇게. 오케이. 올라가. 원, 투, 지은들아. 오케이. 원, 쓰리. 챔피언. 챔피언. 원, 투, 파이브. 오케이. 완전히. 원, 식스. 오케이. 식스. 오케이. 완전히. 오케이. 오야.
It was definitely an interesting class and we had so much fun with my friends. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed today's video. See you soon. 감사합니다. 사랑해. 안녕.